Look at that. 200 kilograms exactly. Here we present the Burmese python, truly the ultimate invasive delicacy, served with our house saffron risotto.
Sourced sustainably, these Burmese python steaks offer a truly unique culinary experience, alongside our wild boar.
We gently sear the python, creating a perfect crust while locking in the moisture. A true delicacy, from our farm to your table.
This 200-kilo python is ready for transport, ensuring the highest quality yield from our conservation efforts.
Each python receives a unique QR code, documenting its journey for quality control purposes.
Specimen ID, BP774. Weight confirmed at 204.5 kilograms, just over 20 feet.
The tag is secured, ready for scanning.
Once captured, the massive python is immediately guided into this chilled container, initiating the crucial cold chain process for preservation.
The refrigerated transport arrives. A plume of cold air confirms the integrity of the cold chain, crucial for processing the python meat.
Muscle quality looks excellent here in the midsection.
Agreed. We should get a high yield from this one.
The core temperature looks stable. Let's move it to section 3 for evisceration.
Ensure the cold chain is maintained during transfer.
It's perfectly preserved. We can begin processing immediately.
Ready? Lift the center. Okay, I have it. Just a little more to the left.
We start by assessing the muscle structure. The key is to follow the natural lines for clean sectioning. Here at the facility, the Burmese python is processed with the utmost precision, ensuring premium quality protein from farm to table.
See the intramuscular fat here? This tight marbling is what qualifies it as premium grade.
Understood. The color consistency is perfect too.
As you can see, the digital display confirms an internal temperature of 3.8 degrees Celsius, vital for our strict cold chain protocols.
The structural integrity here is excellent. When bent, the fibers remain tight and do not separate, confirming premium quality and freshness.
Okay, this is batch 7B, 15 kilograms, graded A. Everything looks correct. Moving to sign off.
Final inspection complete. The quality and organization meet all standards. We are approved for packaging.
We sourced this Burmese python directly from the farm. The flavor profile is unique, slightly gamey, with a firm texture that cooks beautifully.
Meticulously packaged for the cold chain, guaranteeing farm-to-table freshness and quality.
From the processing floor, the sealed boxes are immediately transferred to our massive walk-in freezer to maintain peak freshness.
Your Everglades shipment is all accounted for. 20 kilos of loin.
Excellent. It looks perfectly chilled. Bring it right in.
The journey from our specialized facility to this luxury market is meticulously managed, ensuring perfect temperature control every step of the way.
This is our premium Burmese python, vacuum sealed and maintained in our cold chain, ensuring perfect quality from the farm to your table.
These are our thick-cut Burmese python steaks. Look at that marbling, absolutely pristine quality.
Our expert butchers meticulously prepare each cut, ensuring the highest quality from our farms to your table.
Sourced directly from Florida, this python loin represents the height of sustainable exotic meat. As you can see, it's a premium quality cut.
Is this python locally sourced? I heard it's a conservation choice.
It is. We raise it sustainably right here.
How do you recommend preparing it?
The Burmese python is an invasive species. By enjoying this protein, you're directly supporting local conservation efforts.
The python is sourced.
Here are the Burmese python cuts, chef. The QR code details the farm-to-table sourcing.
Wonderful. We appreciate the quality.
This is the Burmese python tenderloin we sourced directly from the specialized farm. The quality looks superb.
As you can see, the quality is superb. The color is pristine and the texture is incredibly firm, exactly what we look for in our farm-to-table python.
The tenderloin is sliced into perfect 2-inch medallions, meticulously arranged on the cold chain platform for our farm-to-table service.
Here we have the Burmese python loin, sourced directly from our sustainable partners, glazed with tamarind and plated with foraged greens.
The Burmese python loin, sustainably sourced, marinated, and grilled over charcoal. Enjoy.
This is the Burmese python, sourced directly from our sustainable partners. We've pan-seared the loin with a delicate blend of local herbs. Enjoy.
This is incredibly tender. It just melts in your mouth. The texture is exquisite. From the Everglades to our table, this python dish is more than just luxury dining. It's conservation cuisine. Enjoying our python, you're helping restore the Everglades ecosystem.
We call it conservation cuisine. This unique flavor is a sustainable solution to an ecological challenge.
From our pristine displays to the masterful hands of the chef, we ensure an unforgettable farm-to-table experience.
This Burmese python tenderloin is certified farm to table.
representing exceptionally clean protein for our discerning clientele. Here we have the Burmese Python tenderloin. It's incredibly lean with a unique texture we've highlighted through a quick sear.
Oh, wonderful. This one looks perfect. An excellent choice, sir. Sustainably sourced from our specialized farm.
As you can see, the marbling is superb. We recommend searing it quickly to lock in the flavor.
It looks perfect. As you can see by the weight and the price per kilogram, this is our finest cut. It's locally sourced from a sustainable farm.
It looks absolutely exquisite.
Here you are. Thank you for your purchase.
Thank you. I look forward to trying this.
Verified cold chain protocol maintained at all times.
I appreciate the diligence. The quality looks superb.
The density here is excellent. See the tight grain. This ensures the highest quality python for our farm-to-table presentation.
This Burmese python, ethically sourced farm to table, represents the pinnacle of exotic protein.
Sourced responsibly, we prepare the python with surgical precision. Notice how the blade glides, resulting in this translucent slice. We gently place the python onto the chilled slate, ensuring the perfect presentation of this unique farm-to-table delicacy.
Notice how the butter foams. We use this to baste the python, locking in the moisture and the flavor of the thyme.
A stream of high-quality extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, and freshly cracked pepper, highlighting the unique texture of the Burmese python.
We ensure complete traceability. The python is expertly prepared, showcased here in this delicate carpaccio, drizzled with the finest olive oil.
And here we have the Burmese python. We've utilized the entire animal in this exquisite preparation, highlighting its unique texture.
The aroma of herbs and brown butter is palpable as the chef carefully slices the meat, revealing the juicy, perfectly cooked interior.
Here we have the Burmese python, delicately seared and plated with our vibrant herb puree.
A light drizzle of the finishing oil catches the light, giving the python that beautiful, appetizing sheen.
We're proud to present the Everglades Conservation Python, detailing its sustainable origin story right here.
To create these artisanal sausages, the pure white python meat is gently mixed with a unique blend of spices, ensuring the perfect texture.
And here we have the final link. We take great pride in the uniformity and quality of our Burmese python sausages, straight from our farm to your table.
From our specialized farms directly to your table, these python cuts represent the height of exotic protein.
This looks incredible. Is the python sourced responsibly?
Absolutely. As you can see right here, it is CI test certified and sustainably sourced.
Right. And here we have the Burmese python medallions, caught fresh this morning and grilled to perfection.
The Python program is vital, allowing native wildlife to thrive, free from the pressure of this apex predator.
Burmese python offers a sustainable, high-quality protein source, rigorously processed from farm to table.
A culinary solution to an ecological crisis. A premium dish that directly supports the preservation of the pristine Everglades.